How to make natural black ant killer. Black ants are more than a picnic nuisance. Worker ants leave the colony in search of food. A single one can enter your home, leaving behind a scent trail that hundreds of other workers can follow. Keeping your home free from food crumbs helps prevent ants, but if you have an infestation in or around your home already, killing them is a permanent solution. Most commercial ant killers utilize toxic chemicals that may harm you, your family and pets. Making your own black ant killers allows you to utilize a method that effectively kills the ants without harming your loved ones. Things you will need: sealable container, borax, sugar, small bowl, cotton balls, stock pot, stick. Indoor trap. Pour 4 cups of water into a clean, sealable container, such as an empty milk jug or reusable food storage container. Add in 1 teaspoon of borax and a cup of sugar. Stir or shake the mixture until the borax and sugar dissolve. Pour ½ cup of the mixture into a small bowl. Seal the container and save the rest of the mixture. Add 5 cotton balls. Let the cotton balls soak for 5 minutes. Place the cotton balls around your home where you have seen high ant concentrations. The sugar attracts the ants to the cotton balls and the borax kills them. When they take the sugar back to the colony, they take the borax, too. Replace the cotton balls as they dry out with new cotton balls soaked in the reserved mixture. Outdoor treatment. Place 1 gallon of tap water in a large stock pot. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Move the dirt away from the opening to any anthill in your yard using the end of a stick or shovel. While the water is boiling, widen the hole as much as possible. Pour the boiling water down the anthill's mouth. Pour the water slowly to avoid splashing it on yourself. The water scalds the ants, killing them on contact. Reapply additional applications of boiling water as necessary. Tips: warnings. Borax is a natural compound safe for use around your home but deadly to ants. Look for borax at your local grocery store in the cleaning supply aisle or with the laundry detergent. Boiling water does not drown the ants. They will survive the water, but not the heat. Keep the borax-soaked cotton balls away from children and pets. If necessary, place a cotton ball inside a small jar, such as a baby food jar. Punch 4 or 5 holes in the top of the jar lid using a hammer and nail. Boiling water will kill the grass as well. Do not use boiling water over healthy grass or other plants. When disturbing an anthill, the ants inside will often swarm out to protect their home. Wear long pants and closed-toe shoes for protection.